From cotton to t-shirts, let's see how it's made. First, we start with the cotton plant. It grows in hot climates around the world and is picked by hand or machine. The fluffy cotton inside the pods is what we use to make our clothes soft and comfy. Then it gets sent to a factory where it's cleaned and turned into yarn. The yarn is made into a fabric called jersey knit, which is perfect for t-shirts because it's stretchy and soft. Next, the fabric is cut into the shape of a shirt. This is done with a special machine that has a knife on it. The machine cuts the fabric according to the pattern we want to follow. After that, the edges of the shirt are sewn together. Some shirts have seams on the sides, while others are made with special machines that sew the sides together without any seams. Then the shirt gets printed with the design we want. This can be done with a screen printing machine or a digital printer. Next, the shirt goes through a process called curing, where the print is set into the fabric with heat. Finally, the shirts are inspected to make sure they're perfect. Any defects are fixed, and then the shirts are packaged and shipped off to stores and websites all over the world. And there you have it, a comfy, stylish t-shirt made from cotton. Hope you enjoyed this quick look at how it's made. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and educational videos. Until next time, stay curious.